A humming Trane XR14 air conditioner with a fan that refuses to spin is almost always caused by a failed dual-run capacitor. Replacing this capacitor restores full operation to your condenser unit. The capacitor provides the initial jolt of electricity needed to start the fan motor and the compressor. Safety is the absolute priority before touching any components. Disconnect the power by pulling the disconnect block from the electrical box near the AC unit. Shut off the dedicated breaker for the air conditioner at your main electrical panel. Verify there is no power reaching the unit. Remove the screws holding the access panel on the corner of the condenser to expose the electrical compartment. Locate the cylindrical silver dual-run capacitor with 3 terminals labeled HERM, FAN, and C. A bulging, swollen, or leaking top indicates the internal components have failed and the part requires replacement. Discharge the old capacitor before removing any wires by bridging the terminals with an insulated screwdriver. Take a photograph of the wiring connections for reference. Attach the wires to the exact matching terminals on the new capacitor. The replacement capacitor must match the exact microfarad rating of the original part. Secure the new capacitor with the mounting strap. Reattach the access panel and tighten the screws. Insert the disconnect block back into the wall box and flip the main breaker to the on position. The condenser unit will start, the fan will spin smoothly, and cold air will flow.